أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم من همزه ونفخه ونفثه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
آمين 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 آمين. Peace and blessings to the universe. I send peace and blessings to the universe, guys. I wake up this morning and I was like, wow, what another new chance, another new blessings. Oh my God. Then I have to breathe. Guys, breathe. God have given us another chance to see the sunshine, to see the birds crying, the singing, and to take some fresh air into our body, to feel the new fresh life. Guys, it's a blessing. Life is a blessing. If you wake up and see another day, guys, it's a blessing. You have to give thanks. Give thanks to God. God is so great. Yeah. Can you imagine? You were fucking asleep. You were fucking asleep. You don't know what is going on. Just by the way you just woke up. It's a new blessing, guys. Isn't God great? So who will you send your thanks to? Is it not Him? Guys, God is great. Let's give thanks. Let's give thanks to God. God is so amazing. There is no any other one like Him alone. Guys, that's why you wake up in the morning. He's the only first person to remember, because He has given you another chance to breathe, to hear the birds singing, to see the sunshine, and if you are lucky, then you fall down the rain. Oh my God. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. Bro, enjoy life in God's way. It's full of happiness. And you have God in you. It's full of happiness, guys. The nature, you enjoy the nature, is full of blessings. God is good. God is, in fact, God is really good. Having God in your life is full of happiness. No, forget about your problems. Your problems is nature's business. Leave your problems to nature and enjoy the chance given to you, bro. And when you wake up, send love and peace to the universe. That's how you feel the happiness of life. Don't wake up with bad energy. Wake up with good energy. Give thanks to God. Wow, I'm awake. I'm awake. Oh my God. Oh, you have given me another chance to love. You have given me another chance to make peace with the universe. You have given me another chance to feel your creation. Oh my God. That's how life is. That's how life is. Life is simple as that. Tomorrow is not our problem, it's nature's problem. Let's leave that one for nature, because no one knows tomorrow. Whether we will see tomorrow or not, we don't know. So that one, It's nature's problem. Let's enjoy this moment. Let's enjoy this moment. God knows what He's doing. Leave everything for Him. Do your best for the day. Do your best for the day and leave the rest. Almighty is the all-knowing. That's all about life. Do your best and leave the rest to God. Any problem that you are facing, just raise your hands. Cry to Him. You are sending a request to the universe. So if you wake up and you are like, wow, this guy once beat me yesterday, today I have to, you see, it's bad energy. The universe will respond to you in a bad way. So you see at the end of the day, you only meeting bad luck, bad things happening, and you don't understand. You say, oh, no. It's the energy that you are sending to the universe. Sorry. You understand? Life is simple. Life is simple. In fact, having God in your life is very simple. You don't think much. You don't overthink. You just enjoy the moment given to you. You understand? You do your best and you leave the rest to God. He's the all-knowing. He knows what He's doing, bro. He created you. You understand? You can't control yourself. You understand? So guys, let's take God as our personal Savior. Let's take God as our everything. Let God lead. Put God first in everything that you do. In everything that you do, remember God. Remember Him. Always and always remember God. Without God, nothing will succeed in this world. You try. It's not picking. Hold on. Leave it to God. Keep praying. Keep trying. You are not even trying. You are doing. Do it. Keep doing. You are not trying. You are doing the thing. You are doing the thing. You are not trying. You are doing it. So leave the work to God and keep doing. Guys, it will pick one time. In God's name. That's all about life. We already came here for a moment and we go back. Yeah, we have to go back because this place is not ours. People have been coming and going. The same way we will also go. So why will you come and waste this life, this precious life with negativity, this precious life with bad energy? No, bro. No, don't do that. Live this life peacefully. Live this life with love. Love everyone, you understand? Let the positive energy flow. Don't live this life in a negative way. It's very short. It's very short over here. It's very short. This is a temporal place, so we don't need to waste time. Just imagine 24 hours and you've been wasting it for getting angry, getting almost 1 hour for getting angry, and another step. Like, no, bro, it's not good. It's not good, Charlie. Be happy, be happy. Be happy that God have given you another chance to see the day, to see the sunshine, to see the universe, to hear the birds crying, to see the butterflies. Oh my God! You always be thankful. After giving thanks to your Maker, get on to the hustle food. Put on the work, man. Life is good as that. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. No matter what you are going through, bro, life is good. You understand? May God guide us. Peace, peace, and love to everyone. See you once again. Bye. Loser.